Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a girl named Emily. Emily was known for her kind heart and curious mind. One day, on her way home from school, she stumbled upon something very peculiar. She saw a loaf of bread lying in the middle of the path, but it was no ordinary loaf. It was as big as she was, and it shimmered with a magical glow. Emily, with her adventurous spirit, picked it up. As she held the glowing loaf, she felt a sudden sense of warmth and happiness spread through her. She rushed home, eager to share her discovery with her family. "Mother," she exclaimed, "I found a magical loaf. It's as big as I am and shines like the sun." Her mother, surprised, took the loaf from her daughter's hands. "This is no ordinary loaf, child," she said. "It's a wishing loaf. You can make one wish, but be careful what you ask for." Emily's eyes sparkled with excitement. "I wish for all the children in the village to have enough food to eat," she said, her heart filled with kindness. The loaf glowed brighter, and then slowly, it began to shrink. By the next morning, every family in the village had a loaf of bread, just the right size for their family. The villagers were amazed and grateful. Emily's wish had come true. From that day forward, Emily was loved and admired by all. She had used her one wish to help others, showing everyone the true power of kindness and compassion. And as for the magical loaf, it was never seen again, but its magic lived on in Emily's heart. So, remember, dear children, a single wish can change the world. But kindness is what truly makes a difference. Good night.